So we know that we want to have a mat that has an area of 256 meters squared, right? And it has to be a square. So this is going to be something like length times length, which is length squared. Okay, so how do I know this is in between 10 and 20? Well, if I take 10, right, and I square it, I end up getting 100. And if I take 20 and I square, I get 400, right? So that means this could be, right, 100 and 400, but this area is in between these two. Okay, so then if I were to square root this, right, I end up getting 10 and 20. So the square root of 256 must also be in between 10 and 20. Okay, so then what are the possible last digits of the dimensions if the side lengths are whole numbers? Okay, if you want to find that out, right, when we multiply two numbers together, right, we have to figure out what will give us, right, 6 as our last number here. Okay, so let's test this out. If we have 1, it's going to end up being 1 times 1, right? 2, we get 2 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16, but we're only caring about the last digit, okay? 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 gives us 81. And finally, 10 times 10 gives us 100. Okay, so here are all the possible last digit numbers, right? It's either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or really, this is to show the 0, right? But we could have just said 0 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so the last digit that gives us a possible 6 would be, right, 4. It would be 6, and that's it. Okay, so that means this length here has to be a number that has 4 or 6 as its last digits. Okay, so that means I can predict, right, because I know that the length itself has to be in between 10 and 20, according to A, right? This is A, this is B. Okay, so if the length has to be in between 10 and 20, and the last digit of this length must be 4 or 6, my only two options will be 14 and 16. Okay, so that's the prediction of what the length of the mat has to be. So let's see which one's correct, right? 14 squared, what does this give me? It gives me 196, okay? But this is not equal to our 256 area, okay? But if I do 16 squared, right, this ends up giving me 256, which is exactly the area, right? The area of the mat that we want, okay? So then the dimensions of the judo mat has to be 16 meters by 16 meters,